Welcome to the life of a Welsh folk pop star. You might think you're not a fan, but you probably are. If you were to miss me, it would be a shame. The Welsh Whisperer is my name.
Playing live is what I live for, you know. It's my passion. It's why I get up in the morning. Well, that, and I need to open up my dog grooming shop at 9 AM, otherwise Betsam the poodle won't get a daily wash. I've got no idea why a poodle needs to be washed every day at 9 AM, but it's certainly keeping my dog grooming business going. I mean hobby. My dog grooming hobby. Music's my business. Hi, I'm the Welsh Whisperer. You might remember me from my smash hit song, The Butcher's Daughter.
It's the butcher's daughter for me, but I know that her daddy won't agree. The meat she serves is fresh from the slaughter. She's the finest girl in town, she's the butcher's daughter.
Yeah, the Welsh Whisperer is my real name. I've got my birth certificate here. I thought my mum might have lost it. She's quite known for being clumsy and forgetful, but here it is. Right then, got any gigs for me or what? TV appearance, nice one. On a show called After the Mighty Have Fallen. So things haven't been going great between me and my agent. How much am I going to get paid? I'm going to get paid 50 quid. Whoa. Why do I have to keep paying 50 quid? But the NWAB, National Welsh Association of Butchers, have been in touch. They're talking about funding a tour of Wales, which could be huge. It could be the start of something big, my ticket back to the top. So I thought I'd get back into the swing of doing some live performances. I've actually got a massive gig coming up tonight at the Capel Glyn Mochnan Fawr Town Hall. Now I'm about to do something I haven't done in over 30 years. Busking. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry for love.
Warthus, sgen ti chydig bach o EDM rhywbeth?
With EDM?
Electronic dance music.
Hungry, I'm hungry for love.
Hei, sy'n ti? Gai bwcio Tad y Pwdl efo chdi fori?
Dwi'n performio yma.
I'm hungry for love. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Turns out busking isn't as popular as it was in the 70s. Well, great, we're going to gig here yma, Capel Glyn Mochnan Fawr. Is it dod?
Anna campyd. Dwi eisiau dysgu mam sydd wedi sheifio. Yn ei peth yna, nes dwi wedi gaddo eis wsos fan, ti'n gwybod?
Ia, dwi wedi gaddo polisio trumpet tight, sorry mate.
I know 50 quid might seem a bit expensive for a country folk pop concert, but if you think about it, all I gotta do is get one person to come, and made 50 quid. Right, here we are, Capel Glyn Mochnan Town Hall. On stage in 15 minutes, let's do this. I've invited all 50,000 of my MySpace and Bebo friends, so I hope they show up. Hello, Capel Glyn Mochnan Fawr! This first one's called I'm Hungry for Love. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry for love. You still owe me 50 quid for this one, I'm all wet, man. I'm hungry,